obviously we're incredibly concerned about Jim's well-being.
News that an Iraqi court sentenced 66-year-old James Fitton to 15 years in prison for trying to smuggle ancient artifacts came as a gut punch to the British man's family. Still, his son-in-law, Sam Tasker, said the retired geologist is trying to put on a brave face.
My wife's going crazy, my whole wife's family going crazy, not being able to even speak to him, right? So we just tried to call him on the off chance that he was able to pick up, and we spoke for a few minutes. He was just as shocked as everybody else is.
Fitton was arrested at Baghdad's airport in March for having ancient pottery fragments in his baggage. Baghdad's criminal court said he had criminal intent by trying to take them from a heritage site, according to a judicial source, an offense that is normally punishable by death. A German man arrested alongside Fitton, Volker Waldman, was acquitted of the same charges. Waldman's lawyer said Fitton gave the German the pieces. Here's another one of his lawyers, Mohammed Koperly.
He understands and realizes that these monuments were not fenced, but unfortunately, he should have known that, if you pick up these historical things, it might be cultural, it could lead to certain consequences.
Fitton's lawyer said he plans to appeal the verdict on the grounds that there was no criminal intent, all while his family tries to cope.
Heartbreaking doesn't even begin to cover it. It's the hardest thing I've ever been through, that any of us have ever been through. He remains as hopeful as we do that the appeal will be successful and that we can kind of end this nightmare as soon as possible, really.